Hello students, today we are going to learn and understand chapter number 5, Food Safety. Students, as we know, all constituents of food, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fiber and water are necessary for the proper growth of the body. We get these nutrients from food materials like wheat, jawar, pulses, rice, vegetables, fruits, etc. Students, what will happen if these food materials are infested by insect or spoiled in any way? If these food materials are infested by insects or spoiled in any way, then such food is not safe for eating. Students, let us learn food spoilage. Food spoilage means unpleasant change in color, odor, texture, quality, taste resulting into loss of food nutrient content. Let us learn factors responsible for food spoilage. First one, natural causes. The foodstuffs may spoil due to natural causes. All foodstuffs have their own shelf life. Sometimes fruits or their skin turn black. Some foodstuffs give out bad odor. Such foodstuffs are not suitable for us to eat. Second one, man-made causes. Sometimes naturally available food materials are spoiled by wrong handling as when they are overcooked or improperly stored, say in damp place. So students, the foodstuffs we consume, whether of animal or plant source, must be of the best quality. Otherwise, we may fall prey to disease or illness. Food is said to be spoiled if there is a change in its color, odor, texture, quality, taste, and there is a loss of its nutrient content. Students, various types of changes occur in food materials. For example, fruits turn black or change in color. Meat becomes sour or peanuts become rancid. All these changes occur due to factors within the food materials. Food grains produced in farms are damaged due to various reasons like improper handling, improper storage, improper transportation, etc. Students, some foodstuffs undergo chemical reactions on contact with metals. Foodstuffs like meat and milk are either acidic or alkaline. They get spoiled due to chemical reactions on contact with metals. Students, sometimes foodstuffs may be spoiled due to contamination by microorganisms or insects from the surrounding air, water or soil. Let us learn food wastage. Importance of saving the food from spoilage. With the help of science and technology, India has shown great progress in the production of various foodstuffs like cereals, fruits, vegetables, fish, as well as milk and milk products. Even so many people in our country and all over the world face the problem of hunger. Many do not get even one meal a day. Hence, it is our duty to prevent wastage of food wherever it takes place. Students, let us learn quantitative wastage of food. Wrong methods of farming like hand sowing of seeds, inadequate threshing, improper storage and wrong methods of distribution are some reasons for Quantitative wastage of food. Students, much food is wasted as a result of the custom of offering and serving too much food to guests at traditional feast. Had it not been wasted, all this food could have met the need of many others. Thank you.